What is up, guys? Welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a TikTok logo in Blender in basically under a minute. So all you gotta do is gonna be the same as with Spotify logo. So add a cylinder, change the vertices to 64, and now what you gotta do, shade smooth by angle. Once you do that, press R and X to rotate it on X-axis and type 90 on your keyboard to rotate it for 90 degrees. And then now just scale it just a bit like this. And now press tab to go to your edit mode. Select this, go to material preview, select the material, make a new one, assign it as well, image texture as always, and now find your image you have downloaded from anywhere basically. And of course it's not aligned as always. I'm just gonna go to UV editing, select this, press here numpad 1, press U and select project from view and just scale it like this. Pretty simple. And maybe change this or just leave it like this. Alright, so we've changed it pretty much, and now we wanna press Ctrl I to invert the selection, make a new material and just add some black color, or just select this so it can be the same color as this. Okay, so put in metallic and we're set. This is your TikTok logo in basically under a minute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.